The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus self-emptying vacuum is a state-of-the-art cleaning machine with increased suction power and advanced technologies that thoroughly clean even the trickiest corners and edges. Designed for convenience, the Roomba S9 Plus automatically empties its own dustbin into a clean base, which can hold up to 60 days of debris, making it ideal for busy households. Equipped with PerfectEdge technology and advanced sensors, this vacuum provides a detailed clean, efficiently navigating your home and sucking up debris and pet hair from deep within carpets. The Roomba S9 Plus can be controlled via voice command or through the iRobot Home app, allowing for immediate cleaning of specific areas or scheduling of routine cleanings. Smart mapping technology allows the Roomba S9 Plus to differentiate between rooms, offering the ability to customize cleaning schedules and avoid sensitive areas such as pet bowls or play areas. Through imprint link technology, the Roomba S9 Plus can work in tandem with the Braava Jet M6 robot mop for a comprehensive, effortless clean of your floors.